What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color the iron spider. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. We're gonna leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're gonna draw a curve that goes up, and we'll bend that out towards the top of the eye. Let's line up the inside on the right and do the same thing, going up and then out towards the same height. Now I'm gonna work our way around the outside and bottom of the eye. Let's start on the top left, come around towards the bottom. I'm just gonna pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going down, up, and then in. Now you want to trace the inside of the eye. From this point, we'll step out, curl this up. I'm just gonna bend that out. And we'll trace the bottom of the eye, coming down, and just pull that in. Let's fill in that outer trim. Now with the eyes in place, we're going to draw the top half of the head. We're going to line up at the bottom of the eye, over on the left side. Just going to curve this around the eye, go up and in towards the top, and round up the head, go around the right side, and then back in. Now from the jaw, I'm just going to curve the head coming down, and then in towards the middle. Let's round up the chin, go out, and then up. Let's move down and draw the side of the body curved out towards the left. So we'll start underneath the head on the left side, curve the body going out, and then in towards the hip. Just line this up on the right, going around and then out. Now we want to tuck the left arm in behind the body. So we'll start down here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the thumb. Come down and round up the thumb, and then pull that back up. Let's add in the first finger. Going out and up, round up the finger, and pull that back down. Let's stack 2 more fingers in behind. Going around and then down. Do that one more time. Now you want to overlap the top of the arm on top of the hand. So we'll step in, curve this up, and in behind the head. Let's go to the right side and extend the arm going out. We start underneath the head, curve the arm going up, and then out towards the thumb. Curve the thumb going out and up, round out the thumb, and then pull that back down. Let's extend the first finger going out and then down, round out the finger, and then pull that back in. Let's curl the second finger. Let's draw an oval, going all the way around and back up. And then we'll extend the last finger, coming down, round this out, and then go up towards the wrist. Now we'll go in behind the hand, curve the arm going in, and then down behind the body. Let's separate the wrist. On the outside, curve around and in. On the right, we'll do the same thing. Now we're going to go back in and extend the right leg. We'll start on the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the heel. And then we'll draw the bottom of the foot, go up and out, round out the end of the foot, come down and then back in towards the heel. Let's draw the top of the foot, from the outside, going up and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the right hip, curve the leg going out, and then down in behind the foot. Let's separate the leg with a curve. Now let's go back over towards the left side and bend the leg. From the hip, we'll step up, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the knee, round up the knee, and just pull that back up towards the body. Let's go underneath the body, curve the inside of the leg going out towards the knee, and then we'll tuck the foot in underneath. Starting down here, come down towards the bottom of the foot, go up and then in. Let's separate the leg with a curve along the bottom. Now we're going to go back and add a simple logo in the center of the body. Let's start right in the middle with a point, and go down and out toward the left and right, come down the sides with a short line, back down and out, come down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to pull this back in towards the center point. Now we're going to go back up to the top, angles up and out. Now let's bend this up and in underneath the head. Let's trace this along the outside. Coming down, and then angle this in towards the bottom. Now we're going to work our way down the bottom. From these two lines, come straight down, goes out and up towards the side. Let's go back up to the top point, extend these down, straight down towards the bottom, and curve this up. Let's trace the outside, starting underneath the head, coming down. Just going to pull this in, and just work our way down towards the bottom. Let's add a seam across the waist. Now I'm going to go in with my ultra fine point marker and add in the webbing. Starting from the inside corner of the eyes, and goes up and in towards the middle. And we'll draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top of the head. Let's go to the side, bend this up and then out. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes, bend this down and out towards the side. Go underneath the eyes, angle this down and out. And then from the side of the eyes, we'll go straight out towards the side. Let's add some webbing along the top. Starting in the middle, come down and up, step up, draw that again. Now we want to pull these down and out towards the eyes. Let's add another web along the top. Now let's work our way down the bottom. Start with the middle, and the bottom, and bend this up and out towards the side. Let's separate the fingers with two curves. One on the end, and curving the bottom of the thumb. One more curve across the wrist. Now we're going to add some webs on the right foot. Start with a curve across the ankle, go in behind the foot, come down towards the bottom, just curve across and then down, and across the toe. Let's add some lines coming from the top down towards the bottom, and curving across the top of the foot. Now let's go back and add those arms across the back. We start on the side of the head, bend this out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to bend this down towards a point. Go out and then down. Now from this top point, I'm just going to round this out. Just aiming these out. Connect the tip to that bottom point with a curve. Now going back up to the top, we're going to follow that same curve, going down and in behind the body. Let's add another set of arms coming from the hips pointing up. So we'll start from the left leg, goes down and out. And we'll bend this out, up, and in. Let's curve the bottom, bring it back out. And then again, connecting the tip to the bottom with that curve. Let's draw that same curve along the top, going in behind the body. Now I'm going to go back to my ultra fine point marker and add some texture along the inside. I'm going to add these curves, just work our way in towards the body. And now we're going to move in with our red marker and fill the inside of the head, working our way around the eyes. And we'll fill in the hands. Now use our blue to the inside of that symbol. And the lens. And now use our yellow to fill those arms across the back. And once we finish coloring, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color the Iron Spider. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.